First, let's talk weather. Let's get to meteorologist Maria Ruiz. I feel like we're just kind of like saying the same thing every day. It's warm. It's nice and warm. Is that going to change this week?
Yes, it's going to change. Today, actually, we have, well, no, today.
Oh, not today?
Shouldn't have said it like that.
All right.
Today, we still have near record heat. Sorry, Cleo.
I thought it was changing today.
But tomorrow, we're going to notice a little more cloud cover. We'll notice some rain. And then the cooler weather moves in on Thursday. So we're getting there. Today is kind of one of the last days where we really experience the January heat, at least.
Because my jacket's just hanging in the back of my car.
I think about that often.
Thanks, Maria.
Let's go ahead and take a look outside. This is what you need to know. Near record heat today, but the cooler temps, they're coming. They're just not going to be here until Thursday. Now, rain will be possible tomorrow morning. Make plans now. This could cause a wet commute depending on where you live. And there is a fire weather watch on Wednesday. I'll talk you through what that means. But first, I want to prep you for today. Then we'll prep you for tomorrow. Fort Worth right now looking at some cloud cover overhead. We'll notice this cloud cover really throughout the day today. Temperature right now of 64 degrees there. 65 at DFW Airport. Actually feeling like it. Our winds are out of the southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our winds today are much lighter than what they were yesterday. Yesterday we saw elevated winds because of a front that was nearby. Temperatures across the area right now are in the mid-60s with 64 degrees in Fort Worth, 67 in Denton and in McKinney. Temperatures area-wide are already warmer than what's considered normal for daytime high temperatures this time of the year, which is about 54, 55 degrees. Temperatures are expected to climb to about 77 degrees in Dallas, 76 in Fort Worth, 73 in Denton, 74 in McKinney. High temperature climbs only to 77, but the record is 79. That was set in 1954, 71 degrees on Wednesday, 59 degrees on Thursday. Here's a look at that cloud cover that's still streaming in across the area. This is all part of our next system that is swirling still close to the Four Corners, still in Arizona. And what's going to happen is that as this approaches, we keep the cloud cover in the mix. So watch this. This is Tuesday. Throughout the rest of the day, cloud cover lingers across the area. Around midnight, we'll start to see some rain close to Haskell, Wichita Falls as that front approaches. That front arrives sometime between 6 and 8 tomorrow morning. We'll notice the winds kicking up a tad when this is happening. Scattered showers across the area. I'm not expecting any strong to severe storms as it's moving through our area. North Texas will miss out on that, luckily, but still could see a few lingering thunderstorms tomorrow morning. Look at this. Wednesday by around 10 in the morning, most of the area is dry with still some thunderstorms across portions of far east Texas. We'll notice that this cloud cover eventually goes away. Wednesday afternoon, not only will it be clear, but it'll also be breezy. Now, the severe weather outlook for Wednesday still looking like a marginal risk for our eastern counties. That's anywhere from Clarksville, Mineola, Canton, Athens to the east. Damaging wind gusts and quarter-size hail will be the main concern here. But keep in mind, most of this is happening sometime around midday. The higher severe threat is just outside of the state in Louisiana. We could pick up anywhere between a tenth to a quarter inch of rain. Notice how Dallas, Fort Worth, not included in this. We may pick up a trace of rain as this front is pushing through. Wednesday afternoon, the winds are going to stay elevated. That is why our western counties will be under a fire weather watch, meaning we're going to have really dry winds, dry air with strong winds in place, dry vegetation. So fires could really easily spark. Just something to be cautious of. And there's finally that cool down, Cleo. 59 degrees on Thursday. I'm thinking Sunday morning, Cleo. 39 degrees is when that jacket can come out.
Okay, that will do. All right. Thanks there, Marielle.